Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Now today we're going to show you how to replace a drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother HL-2040 printer. First thing you're going to do is open the front door. Then you're going to remove the toner and the drum that come out together as one unit. Then you're going to push down on a little blue tab on the side of the drum. That allows you to lift and separate the toner from the drum. We will set our old drum off to the side. Here we have our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx drum there is written instructions on how to replace the drum in case you need them. Now that we have our new drum, we're going to install our toner back inside of our new drum. You'll feel it kind of click into place. Once you have this toner installed into the drum, there's a little blue tab at the top of the drum. You're going to want to slide that tab back and forth about 2 or 3 times, making sure that you wind up at the same spot that it started at. Now once you do that, you're going to install the toner and drum into the printer. We're going to leave the front door open. And you're going to push and hold the go button for about 4 seconds. You'll see all 4 LEDs on the side of the printer light up. Once all the LEDs light up, you can let go of the go button, close the front door, and just like that you're back up and printing.